Ever wondered how to cook authentic Indian biryani at home? Biryani, a rich culinary gift from India, is famed for its unique flavors and aromatic blend of spices. With basmati rice, chicken, and a medley of spices, it's truly a feast for your senses. Stick around as we unravel the secret to making the perfect Indian biryani right in your kitchen. To start off, gather all your ingredients. You'll need some fragrant basmati rice, tender chicken, crisp onions, ripe tomatoes, and a punch of ginger and garlic. Don't forget the creamy yogurt and the heart of our dish, the biryani masala, along with your choice of additional spices. Once you've got everything, start prepping. Soak the rice, marinate the chicken in the yogurt and biryani masala, and chop those onions, tomatoes, ginger, and garlic finely. With everything in place, we are ready to dive into the cooking process. Now, it's time to get cooking. The first step in creating our rich, flavorful biryani is frying the onions until they're a beautiful golden brown. This not only adds color to our dish but also infuses it with a delightful sweet aroma. Next, we introduce the marinated chicken to the pan. The chicken has been soaking up all the wonderful spices and flavors, and as it cooks, it releases those into the dish, adding depth and complexity to our biryani. Now comes the layering. We place partially cooked rice over our chicken, forming the backbone of our biryani. This rice will soak up the juices and flavors as it finishes cooking, becoming a delicious fragrant bed for our chicken. Finally, we seal the dish and let it slow cook on a low flame. This is where the magic happens as the flavors meld and intensify, creating a biryani that's truly a feast for your senses. And there you have it, your homemade Indian biryani is ready to be savored. Before you dig in, there's one final touch. Garnish your biryani with crispy fried onions, fresh mint leaves, and halved boiled eggs. Don't forget the perfect sidekicks, a cool raita or more boiled eggs. And that's how you cook a mouth-watering Indian biryani at home. Try it out and let the flavors take you on a journey to India.